it's Emily, and today I'm going to be taking you through a tour of my entire apartment place. So technically I don't actually live in an apartment, I live in like a level of a house that's shared with multiple people, and I have roommates and stuff. And so I'll be giving you a tour of my room in the place, as well as a tour of the whole floor and mostly just my areas and certain places that I share with other people. So I'll be giving you a tour of the entire place, starting with my room. So I'm in my room right now, so let's get started with the tour of my room. So here is my room, and when you enter it, here's what it looks like. So first, let's start with the door. I usually keep grocery bags here, but I also have a Forever 21 bag that I will be returning things from. And then right next to the door, I have this little corner thing. My room was actually built in after the place was made, I believe, and so this was probably a fireplace of some sort, and it is now cut in half and partially in my room. So first here I have my 3-tiered rack. It's honestly a mess. It's got a bunch of random stuff on it. I mostly just keep bathroom stuff and daily stuff, as well as some snacks in my calendar. And then of course I have my laundry basket, and then behind there I have my trash can, which is empty right now. And then on the little mantle place I keep my 3 plants. Currently they're dying because they don't fit on my windowsill. And then I also have a candle on there as well. And then I have a light right there, except it's disconnected, so it does not work because it would be connected to a switch outside of my room. So I have no lighting in my room. And so I have installed some bulb lights across the ceiling. So that's the only thing giving me light in my room. And then next to the mantle area, I have this full-length mirror. And then on that mirror, I have a few bags that I use daily. And then next to my mirror is my bed. So my bed is a twin XL. I have these pillows. I don't know where they came from, but I got some white pillows, white bedspread, because I wanted my whole bed to be white. And then it's on a black little bed frame. So that's my bed. And then underneath my bed, they're kind of a mess, but I have these 2 baskets that I keep a bunch of clothes and other stuff that I don't need on the daily. And then let's go on to my rug. So this is my rug. It is a dark gray and off-white hexagon striped rug because I was required to have a rug, and so I have this one and I rather like it. It's got tassels on the end, don't know where it's from. And then let's move on next to my bed. So I do have another lighting source in my room that was sent to me. I have some lights, some LED lights that I've just hung beneath my bed. And so I have those that I just keep there. I normally just keep them on white light because that gives the best lighting. And so that remote thing I just keep there. I have a little outlet full of a bunch of stuff here. So I keep my phone charger, computer charger, fan, the plug for the LED lights in there and all that. So my room also does not have like air conditioning in it because it didn't have a vent or anything, so I do have a fan. So that is right here. I just keep it next to my bed, so it's always blowing on my bed because that's when I need it the most, so I just keep it there. And then I have my shoe rack right next to it, which the top is used kind of as a nightstand, so I just keep some like normal things there that I need on the daily. And then I have all of my shoes underneath. So mostly I just have heels that I honestly rarely use, and then I have my everyday shoes below. And then moving on to my clothes rack. So I do actually have a closet outside of my room, so here I just keep everything that doesn't fit, as well as pieces that I'm going to use for videos, or my favorite pieces, or pieces that I want to wear that week. It's kind of a mess because there's a lot that doesn't fit into my closet, so I just keep it all here. So we just have all of that. And then next to my clothes rack is my ring light that I just keep there. Honestly, there's not really a good place for it, so it just hangs out there. And then next, moving back to my doorway, I have these 3 golden command hooks that I keep keys, masks, wallet, and all that stuff on. And that would be all of my room. So here's the whole outlay of it. And also my window, I never really showed that. So I just have some blinds on my window, and then it also opens up. But my bed's kind of tall, so it doesn't open that well. And then that's my window. Got a nice view of some house rooftops. And then this is just my whole room. Okay, now let's move on to the front and just like continue throughout the rest of the place. So first I am at the doorway. So here we are. Here's the door to the house. So I'm on the second level. There's like stairs below there, and we kind of got a balcony, kind of. But here first we have, this whole place came furnished. So all of this was here before I got here. So first there's just a full-length mirror, and we have the living room here. So we've just got a few lamps, a couch with lots of pillows, a rug, a table, some more seating areas, another window like mine in my room, the rest of the fireplace, and the TV setup. So that would be the living room. Now moving on to the dining area. So when you walk in, it's straight across from the living room. We've got a little like walk doorway area, and then here is the dining area. So we've just got a rug here, some, you know, a table and chairs, what dining areas have, and then here is just a whole window set up, and that's kind of like our balcony area. And then that's a room, and here is the kitchen. So I actually share this whole place with like 3 other people, so I'll just show you my sections in the kitchen. So it's got some like sparkly white countertops, then we've got sink, dishwasher, oven, no microwave, fridge, and so here is like kind of my pantry because I don't have a lot of space. And then up here we have dishes and stuff. Down here I have utensils, and then I have bowls and other stuff. And then I also have some other appliance things up here. And then I'll show you my part of the fridge. I have this little area and this area. And then also I've got some stuff down here. And then the freezer, I've got this section. So that's basically all of the kitchen. Now next to the kitchen we have the laundry room. Not that exciting, but I'll kind of show it a little bit. So you just walk in. We got a washer, and I've got some clothes in there. Got a dryer, and then I keep my bike in here. And then we've got some windows and stuff. So that's basically it for this area. Now I guess I'll move to closet and bathroom area next. So we walk past my room. And we've got a plant here. And here is my bathroom, which I also share. So here's what the counter area looks like. I've got a candle in here and some other like daily use stuff. We got a basket down there. I got some of my stuff here. And then I got a towel there. We got a shower and like a shower with tub thing. Interesting that we've got all of that. And then I've also got like some drawer space and stuff. But next, across from the bathroom, we have a closet that I share with one person. So here is the closet. So this section right here is all of my clothes. And then over here I've got my suitcase and some other stuff. And that's basically everything that I keep in the closet. And that's basically like my whole area of the place. And then we've got like a few more rooms and another bathroom that I didn't show because I don't use those. But that's everything that I use, and that's like basically the whole place. I'm gonna set you back up. Oh, another thing in my room that I didn't show, I keep my makeup in a basket just slightly under my bed next to my mirror, because that's where I'll do my makeup usually on the days that I do it. But anyways, that's going to be all of this little like apartment place tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything. Honestly, some of it still isn't exactly the most organized, but that's just the state that everything is in right now. I've unpacked everything, of course. And if I were staying here for longer, then I would probably reorganize and do a few more things, get another clothes rack and other things like that to kind of give me more room and make it look nicer. But I'm actually not staying here for that much longer. So this is the state that everything is going to stay in for the rest of like my stay here and all that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little like room and apartment place tour. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like. And also go subscribe by hitting the button below or the icon on the bottom corner of the screen if you're using a computer. You can also go check out some of my other moving out videos leading up to this video and the room tour. So you can go check those out on my channel. I have some other related videos. Also make sure to stay tuned for my next video because I post twice a week, every week. And I will make sure to see y'all next time. Bye.